Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons, including my newest, Learn to Draw Cartoons, world's easiest cartooning book ever. And not only does it have guys and gals and funny people, etc., but it also has chapters on drawing unusual animals, because the kind of kooky and crazy animals that are popular now are the unusual ones, the emus, etc., the capybaras, and also super simple animal types. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a super simple animal type. This is going to be a cat, a little kind of kitten. And it's based on very simple shapes, and we'll start this way. We'll start with kind of an oval, big oval, which is going to be the head of this little guy. And then a little triangle underneath. I mean, really small, like that. The triangle would come up this way, but we cut off the top and left with this little shape here. And bring this down here, because these are the thighs right here. They're kind of curled under. Here is the center line. And the eye line is really low. We're going to bring the arms down here. I'm going to just erase this part a little bit, because I want to make those a little smaller. And we're going to go over this in black. So this is just a rough, just to get placement. That's all we need right now, just placement. A little collar and license. And now we're going to put catty corner like that. One this side, one that side. Small little ears. Now we're going to go here and bring out the furry part like that on both sides. And put big dots in the middle. But space them far apart, far apart. A little bridge of the nose, a little tiny nose, and a little curl for the mouth. Little eyebrows like that. And we're ready to go. Let's give this a try, all right? So we'll make those dots, I'll darken those in. Here's that little nose right there, and the mouth curled up to one side. Small, short little eyebrows. You don't want to make those eyebrows big, just little delicate eyebrows. This is the straight line, and then this is a little bit curved. This is the straight line, and this is a little bit curved. Then this curves on the inside, like that. Okay, now let's bring these out and make some furry cheeks right there. We'll bring them down this way. Bring those two forearms like that, and we'll add that collar now. Kind of ends the face right down there, and nice circle there for the license. Little tail, top of the head, little shading, and some whiskers. Little paws right there. And there is your cute little cat character, little kitten. So remember, the book is How to Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. I hope you'll take a look for it. It's in Amazon, Barnes & Noble's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joanne, and every place else. Anyway, thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you subscribe and you'll get new videos every week. Thanks again. Bye-bye.